Hi, we're here at CES 2018 at the Sony booth, and we're going to tell you about 3 new camcorders recently introduced. The FDR AX700, the HXR NX80, and the PXW Z90. These 3 camcorders all feature the same image sensor and all-new focusing system, which uses a 1-inch image sensor and a combination of phase detect and contrast detect autofocus for the kind of lightning-fast autofocus and tracking capability found in the most modern still cameras. AX700 is the first model. This is for consumer applications, and it's sort of our next model up from the AX100. Like the AX100, it features a 12x optical zoom lens and a very large 1-inch image sensor, quite different from the image sensors that you find in normal fixed lens camcorders. But what's new and different about AX100, as well as these other 3 models, is the use of a hybrid AF system which combines the precision of contrast AF with the depth-aware speed of phase AF. And as a result, these cameras can focus and track moving subjects faster than other video cameras before them. Anyway, because the camera has contrast AF as a conventional camcorder would, as well as phase AF on the image sensor, these cameras can focus as fast as the fastest digital SLRs and mirrorless cameras, which are quite common today. In addition, we've added our new HLG hybrid log gamma recording capability so that you can have a one-step, very quick approach to HDR video capture and playback on HDR HLG compatible 4K televisions. Like the AX100, these are 4K camcorders which can record in full HD as well as 4K in XAVCS, MP4, or you can also record full HD in AVC HD. AX700 is the most compact model in the lineup, and this is oriented towards consumers, and this is positioned at about $1,700. HXR NX80 is the next model in the lineup, quite similar to AX700 in its technology and feature set. However, being more oriented for professional videographers, it includes a handle with controls for operation from the handle, as well as stereo XLR input jacks. This is removable, so you can enjoy the same form factor of AX700 if you'd like. The top model in the lineup is PXW Z90. This model includes SDI output for full HD for use in multicam setups with a switcher. And also, instead of the XAVCS format with an MP4 wrapper found in these 2 models, PXW Z90 has XAVC with an MXF file extension wrapper for more professional editing solutions. So these 3 models were announced in October of 2017. AX700 is in market now, and HXR NX80 and PXW Z90 are coming to market soon.
Or 2,000 newtons of force. So it's an incredibly rugged camera for shooting video or stills. It was used to shoot content for the upcoming movie called Proud Mary, which will be in theaters on Friday. And that will be tomorrow. So as the show closes, go to the theater and check that out. But we are using it to capture the bullet time video of Mason. It looks like we're rendering one out right